Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kinong hikai jong ke St. Edmunds College, Shillong, ha ka artarik unaitung arajar khat khandai, kila beteng biang ya ka jing yakhi bakhlem pot sngi, namar ka jing sha be kam bakhlem nongrim jong uwei na kinong hikai uba Jefferson Walang, da ka ba shongklan mengor ha parking lot hajan office jong ka additional secretariat Shillong. Kinong hikai ha pok shatri jong ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association, ban na ka unit jong ka St. Edmunds College, kila pen pau, bakin nam pendem ya ka ni ka jing le shiliang khmat jong kibor penya jong ka college, ban be kam yo ba Jefferson Walang, tang na ka daw ba ulet ya shimenta, ha ka jing ra lamayong, ha buna jimmang mentau snem. Kinong hikai ha pok shatri jong ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association, ban na ka unit jong ka St. Edmunds College kila pen pau, bakin nam pendem ya ka ni ka jing le shiliang khmat jong kibor penya jong ka college, ban be kam yo ba Jefferson Walang, tang na ka daw ba ulet ya shimenta, ha ka jing ra lamayong, ha buna jimmang mentau snem.
Nada menin ngelayo ya keren deh tapi kemudian kini ke pelapoi hidup mentah ke jingya ki jong ka St. Edmunds College unit jong ka MCTA kalau don ka jing sedang na don runyel sena mencua mo ten rei ke kepala penpoi pada mentah kumni kumakalong ke dei namar ke jing weng nok kam ya unong kai mo we nak unong kai ni ada biakan ketu menin ro ke namar kata agar rai ke ba ke jingalang menin jong ka general body meeting ke bala shim St. Edmunds College ke ba ngilai rai kalong ba nginya sedang ni kini ka jingya ki nadu menin ke sgi tadi ke rai benang tong de nang ta ke ba ar pat kalong ba ngilai rai ya ke ban deman kamot ki deman skin ngilai rai ban deman ban reinstate ya ni assistant professor Jefferson Walang immediately sakakam ke jong namar ngisno bakalong ke bam dan an ke bam song an bakal sulia tang namar ba idon ke bor banne agar hukum ka bamya hukum ka standard procedures and rules kiba don kiba ngidon kampan follow nang tawat ka kuwi pa gademan kalong ban dissolve no ban pendam no ya kini ka governing body jong ka college ban pendam no eka dissolve no eka balai namar ba kani ka governing body Kamdeshu ka full governing body. It's not a full governing body now. Because now, after the resignation of the two members of the governing body representing the staff, that means representing the teachers, and then of course there is no government representative, and then there are no so-called guardian or parents representative. These are all actually members who should be or should compose or comprise the governing body. Kinir Kimdon. The governing body government only the brothers themselves, members of the sponsoring body, that means the CCBI. 5-6 of them would sit in the governing body, and then plus we have two members representing the university, and these two members, like for example Professor Rakesh Mohan and Professor Batilda Jirwa from Nehu, they have become just appendage. They have just become stooge and arms of the like the management, because they would only to snap back, to congo back, but it's long pro establishment back. Why? Because they seem to be on the payroll. Because katbaw magi ya shabi. Magata for anything kabangi kren, kaya kabangi open back. Lada ka po isakaray, kinong back. Let's take a vote. Tanya take a vote means kila lupa prak ndayon pag against the teachers kinang tangamot kamot job ay magiyan. Kila da ka kabam dayro job ay magi kay gabaday wong mangiru hindula ban yang ina makatagadaw ngi diban ba kani ka governing body don kam dissolve ka don kam reconstitute ka full-fledged as per ya ka Meghalaya deficit aided management rules 2013 don kam ban reconstitute ka katkum kani ka rules jongka sarkar Meghalaya ka jongi nang ta sakaway pat ka demand ba kalong ba don kam ban weng no lani ban withdraw no ya ka tu ka service rules jong ka college ka babu nakabanta ki college post teachers 2018 the service rules 2018 don kaman weng no eka tu ban withdraw no eka namar kani ka service rules ka I bore blanket power ya ka management bagan exploit bagan suppress ya kinong hikai namar kata katur kalong bean namar kelempas ka haga rukom ka badai dagalenti ka badai kat kum rules haga governing body lashwan bai haga juga sngi ban introduce ka haga juga sngi implement no kam judon kum kata hang no hnuru ka patai don kam hi ban hab banda ya daga jingya penbai jing sung tu discuss dan ni saya adopt ka anda kam simja kata apa ta shule don bor bo nang ta demand pat segawai pat kalong ba ban resolve yaki outstanding long standing issues and demands jong ka association yaki no hika college ham tam e ka bedei bat ki college post teachers ka bedei bat ka pay fixation jong ki dia skill menne ki balai kren ba ka pay fixation jong ki kam long uniform kam long regular lashu pen ai ashu ip ki kat baki musngomon ban ai kam don ka uniform pay scales nama kata ngilaya penbaik ngilaya keren nadu arajar kharar ban penbaik ban rectify no ya kini ka pay fixation kila agree hinrem sempoi sisi area kata dia demand ke bangsa one of the long pending demands but ban penbaik ya kabede bat ka PF ru ka baki kila kami ai katung the rule so as per the rules there's a clear case of violation of the rules of PF rules kan dekat taru kan saya let's say dekat lenti jong ka ain kan saya namar kila clear kila violate clearly but kabide bat ka baki issues ke ba yade bat kinong hikai hapo St. College ka bangina list down hakini details tenrei haka jingtho ka jongi katkum ka rai ka bangina shimnen ngia ai kita bat khadu e gade ka rai ka bala ai nin ka sigi jinga lang kalong ba ni dawa demand ban wengno sisndon mo ban remove no ya kini laingut ya secretary jongga governing body brother Simon Coelho bar ya bursar lane finance officer jongga college brother J Steljas nangta ka balai ban wengno do lani amdei ban wengno bangi ni dawa demand ba principal jongga college ru Dr. S Lamare on resign no namar ba ulalong tangkumu puppet umdei tang puppet lalong khampalat bani kata aga ba ushong ka suki umdon bor no parol banle ru m de takada ada pilai mapi ushong bai no comments piong e no comments nama balai umnot ban ang kisuntur bagi loong maki himla ban kren ti kita gide gijing dawa kiba kongsan e kiba ngila bo but ho nya tlek sakaway kajing dawa ka ba don ka ba dan nakam taki no nam taki kna bagata kalong ba don kam ban establish no ya ka students council ha ka college hasin admins college namar kani students council kam don college agi chaka baro ki college baro pin shem ki don make a students body don ka students council menshwa hagi snem don brother Shannon mo hagi snem ka bakut hadu snem khakandai spa prabupra hadu ka tuka poru kani ka students council hasin admins college kadon nrai hadin brother Shannon amju don students council nama kata ki students ru ki sha suppress kai ke bagi kwa ban ong ban le game jula ban le kadon bun ki grievances ka bagi students kita ki students ki shong meeting mentan te lada pio ban ye kren bat ki pin so tho ye ki baro ke bagi don bat ki sngo ha ki jinga te bat ke bagi ja mentan this protest will continue for an indefinite period which means until all the demands are met the yamanta kalong kumta te menta ngin upken ke banja kalong kumnu ru tagamot ka song ka developments bangin sa ya kendu but in situation analysis considered we take stock of the situation developments then only spare that only we can come back we can react our response would be I think it's very unfortunate it's very sad also it is not pleasing to us of course we know that in times and movements like these or agitations there are always what we call incidental and collateral damage or effects. And in this case, because being teachers, teachers and students cannot be separated. They are inseparable. So, like if teachers agitate, that means students are affected. All right. So, in this case, we understand, therefore, as much as we don't like, but we know that once we agitate, that means we are we're out of the classrooms. That means there is no teaching, there is no instructions. So in that we understand that the students are affected because students do not get teaching or instruction in the classrooms. Students, of course, understand very well. They have voluntarily come in support of the teachers because they understand. They also said that the students and teachers are inseparable. You cannot separate them. Once the teachers are affected, they are also affected. If the students are affected, teachers also affected. So in that way, we are very sorry for that. But in everything in life, there is collateral, incidental effects or damage. And for that, we have to bear. Because, one point or the other, or one time or the other, I think a resolution of all of these, problems will come.
Letia ngim kuah bakan poi sesurong ngala ada pensyai mentan la pila ya sapa nam ngim kuah namar balai ni ong ba ni tho ba di jing tho ni ong ba ngi kuah ban ya kendo I brother ila ta ta message nga I ong mangila ban ya don kata ka meeting ka iga ba pen pada ngim tip but we will work out to an amicable solution maka jing anglo jongi kalong bangin yo ya ka solution but solution ru across the table bangin ya decide kan nama kani ka jing ja barok khoi kadang ja dang ka si sa jan menit dia kini barok khoi kim banga ka banga ong manga kim dai ka bayar jabat I kadi ka jing ja ka belapun ka belakan art ka belak ayo he became the casualty ong pi nama menchua ka ega bangi fight ka nama taki college post te mentau sakta pada sanction post get these facts right more please
Kung apa piang ba yung new no hikai la thung ha ka government sanction can the management body take a call on his career
no they hangta the government comes in kan namar ka approval ya ka bajing thong tamru ka wana ka government naka directorate DHTE dekade hiban termination ka ban wana DHTE dekade ya kata kamla ban le kum to ka ban wat jing tip shwa kanya ka bachai
Ato pin ya kendo na am yo education minister abayday bat kani ka decision jok
ngin ya kendo kani ka long tang ka jing sedang halor ka jong nadu ka sedang menen kani ka dang long sakaway te lar ni habane kendo wat ya ki baro ki bana education game plus to
kong pin I por na am kani ka management body to resolve this matter once and for all
nila to aka representation jong ni we are giving 24 hours
24 hours
makidon nga soto nga tanga hearsay bakindon ka GB mata kasi nila de ay min step